mix it up. Okay, Olivia, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes? Okay,
Yes.
so repeat after me. Okay. Daddy shark.
Daddy shark.
Good. Mommy shark.
Mommy shark.
Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Grandpa shark.
Grandpa shark.
Grandma shark.
Grandma shark.
Good job, Olivia.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, good. So, watch. We're going to mix them up. Okay? So this is usually done on the floor, so you don't have to turn them around and put sticky tack everywhere. Ready? Are you ready, Olivia?
I'm ready.
Okay, so we're going to mix them up. Watch. Oops. There we go. It's much easier on the floor, of course. Okay. Where is Daddy Shark? Let's see. Is this Daddy Shark?
No.
No. Where is Daddy Shark? Is this Daddy Shark?
No.
No? Okay, try again. Where is Daddy Shark? Is this Daddy Shark?
That's Daddy Shark.
Yes! High five, Olivia. Good job. Okay, so we have Daddy Shark. Okay, so what do we do again, Olivia? We mix it up. Good job, Olivia. Okay, here we go. Okay, can you find Baby Shark? Excellent. Is this Baby Shark? Yes. Okay, so what do we do, Olivia? We
mix it up.
excellent. Okay. Now we'll no longer use the TPR. Can you find where is Grandpa Shark? Let's see. Is this Grandpa Shark?
Yes, it's Grandpa shark.
Great. Excellent. Okay. So what do we do now, Olivia?
We mix it up.
Mix it up. Mix it up. Okay. Where is Mommy Shark? Is this Mommy Shark?
No.
Yes, it is.
It's Mommy shark?
Yeah,
Oh, it's Mommy shark.
Good job. Okay, and the last one, we're no longer going to mix it up, but who is this? Which shark is this?
Grandma shark.
Let's see, is this Grandma Shark? Yes! Okay, give me 10, Olivia. Great job.